Greeting of the day, everyone. I am Tridev Pandey, a student of class 11 of LPM Public School. With my teammates Abhay Gupta, Hiram Shukla, Adarsh Gupta, and Aditya Yadav. We all are here to explain our idea. Our idea is to make organic fertilizer by kitchen waste under the theme of local for local. Our project aim is to solve one of the biggest problems of today, that is waste management and soil pollution. Every day tons of kitchen waste like vegetable peels, food leftovers, and food scraps are thrown away. These waste often fill into landfills and producing harmful gases like methane and polluting our environment. At the same time, farmers are struggling with the problem decreasing in soil fertility due to excessive use of chemical fertilizer. So the problem is twofold: waste generation and soil degradation. Our mission is simple yet powerful: turn waste into wealth and make India cleaner and greener. Using kitchen waste to produce fertilizer, we aim to create a sustainable solution that support the dream of Viksit Bharat, a developed and self-reliant India.
Let us discuss about idea animation. We create a 3D thermocol model showing how kitchen waste collected and decomposed turn into rich nutrient compost. What make our idea unique is that if in case every household to contribute to waste reduce and suppose the local farmer with natural chemical free manure. It is not just a model. It is a movement towards circular economy to nothing to go to waste.
Now let's talk about implementation and impact. This implement in every houses, schools, locality and everywhere. Firstly, we collect the waste peels from the kitchen like vegetable waste and fruit waste. Now collect it in a small pit or container and moist daily, and after a few days of 15 to 20 days it will convert into a organic compost. This impact in our society that less garbage will be collected anywhere. Farmers do not need to purchase the high costly fertilizer. It will increase the fertility of the soil. Also, we are not only promoting the waste management, also promoting the Viksit Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharat. This will help every people to manage their waste. स्वच्छ भारत से विकसित भारत तक का सफर हम लोग के घर से शुरू होता है.
Now let us discuss about future vision and conclusion. We also plan to organize awareness campaign to teach people how easily they can make fertilizer from their kitchen waste. If implemented widely, this idea will not only reduce waste but also create green jobs and organic farming fertilizer sustainable and developed India. In short, our project represents invention from local idea and contribution in Viksit Bharat. That's all. Thank you.